If you're looking for a security camera to install outside, how do you know if it will withstand harsh rain or snow? Should you trust the manufacturer when they say their product is weatherproof? And what about protection from physical damage? Can your camera take a hit from someone and still survive? In this video, I'm going to tell you about 2 specifications to look out for before you purchase your next security camera. This is our UniView 5-megapixel Color Hunter camera, which is still functioning despite being completely submerged underwater. So, how did I know this would be safe for the camera? Well, if you look at the spec sheet for this camera, we can see that it supports IP67 protection. The IP in IP67 stands for Ingress Protection, aka the resistance against dust and liquid entering the device. The standard for IP ratings was created by the International Electrotechnical Commission, a global organization dedicated to setting electrical testing and safety standards for both consumers and commercial business. A lot of your household electrical devices will have an IP rating, including your phone, your tablet, and your computer's keyboard. It's widely used across the globe and is trusted by businesses, insurance, and consumers alike. An IP rating consists of 2 numbers. The first number states a device's resistance to dust and particles. This number ranges from 0 to 6, with 0 offering no protection and 6 being completely dust-proof. Most handheld devices today have a rating of 5 or 6. The second number states a device's resistance to liquids, with an IP rating of 1 offering basic protection from rain, while the higher ratings allow the device to be submerged underwater without being damaged. Here's a full list of the IP liquid protection ratings and the level of protection they offer. Level 1 offers basic protection from vertical rainfall. Level 2 offers rain protection when the device or the rain is coming at an angle of no more than 15 degrees. Level 3 is the same, but the rain is coming at a 60-degree angle. Level 4 provides splash protection from any angle. Level 5 protects against water jets, while Level 6 protects against powerful water jets. Level 7 is what our camera has, and it provides full protection from submersion in water up to 1 meter for around 30 minutes. We've had this camera recording for over 24 hours, and it's still working without any issues. Moving to a higher IP rating of 8 provides continuous protection in moving water up to 3 meters deep. And finally, an IP rating of 9 provides protection from hot water being sprayed at a high pressure. So, that covers rain and snow resistance, but what about protection from deliberate damage? For impact resistance, we want to look for what's called an IK rating, which is another standard drafted by the IEC. An IK rating determines how resistant a device is to physical impacts. A rating is given based on the amount of force a device can withstand without breaking. The IK rating ranges from 0 to 10, with higher levels meaning the device can survive a harder impact. Our dome camera here has an IK10 rating, which means it can withstand the force of 20 joules, or a 5-kilogram hammer being dropped from 40 centimeters. And while we don't have a 5-kilogram hammer, we do have a small hammer which weighs around 700 grams. So in order to get an impact force of 20 joules, we need to drop this hammer from 3 meters up. And that's exactly what we're going to do to this camera. Let's see what happens. I've measured this and I'm about 285 centimeters up from the ground. So this will give us about 19 joules of energy. So I'm going to drop this hammer now and let's see what happens. So we just finished dropping the hammer onto the camera, and it looked pretty intense. It took us a couple tries to actually get it directly bang on the camera. So we actually ended up dropping the hammer around 4 times. As we can see, there's just a little bit of a kind of scratch on the front. We have a small scratch over here. We've got a couple scratches on the other side, but otherwise it was working fine. So let's see the playback. Seems like the camera's still working, but that was not the direct hit. That was not the direct hit. So we're gonna see the next hit and see what happened. Nothing. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, the camera was still working. However, the image shifted a little bit purple, but I think I can fix that. So I'm gonna try to fix the setting and see if we can get it back to the normal color, and I'll let you know how it goes. So all I had to do to fix the purple image problem was go into the camera's image settings, and all I did was change it from automatic mode to night mode, and then it goes black and white. And when I change it back into day mode, and we had full color again. So just probably something to do with the IR filter getting stuck in between, but all I did was change it on and off, and it's working again. Well, it looks like our camera survived the impact, and it's still working perfectly fine. However, just because your camera has an IK10 rating doesn't make it completely safe from vandalism. As we've tested in the past, cameras can still be blinded by a flashlight or a laser pointer, or a determined vandal may eventually break your camera given enough time and energy. If you'd like, you can watch our video about the best places to install a security camera so that it'll be hard for people to detect and mess with. Has anyone ever tried to break your security cameras before? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.